welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I am coming at you freshly out of the shower, so my hair is still quite wet, but I didn't want to wait any longer to opening these boxes. I received pretty much the rest of my monthly boxes last night, like at 9 o'clock at night, no joke, or 8 o'clock, really late, and I've just been wanting to open them so bad. So I got cleaned up and here I am. So I'm going to start with the Allure box for January 2020. But first, let's go through what I got last month in December. So the first thing that we received was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. This is actually mine that I already owned and used. I actually didn't use it. I got all excited when I received it thinking, oh, you know what? I should really pull this back out because this is the one palette that I did not declutter from my collection. So I need to try it still. But they're so pretty, and they're a little bit more wearable, I think, than some, what is this, hieroglyphic? No, isn't that like the writings on the wall? You know where it changes colors, like depending on which way you move, is it? Oh my heck, I can't even remember the word, but very good, a $40 value. So for a $15 box, I mean, that is just amazing. All right, the next thing that we got was a lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is their liquid lipstick. I got the color Bohemian, and it is kind of a nice red type color. I will say I tried it one time and it was just a little too dark. I'm wondering if I will like this a little bit more come fall. But I mean, it is a very gorgeous, deep red color. It's just not really my favorite everyday color, which is okay. I mean, it is what it is. We also received the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I've been using this for, I mean, years. So I didn't open this one because I'm already using one, but I already know I love it. So I'm very happy to get that. The next thing that I had received was the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. And this was either we got this or we got their Coconut Smoothing Priming Moisturizer, which I have tried also and I do think is very good. This I love. I use this in the night for about a week. I've used this before in the past. It's been quite a while since I've used it, so it was nice to kind of get to have it again and try it. This retails for $24. I believe this is full size, so this box had an amazing value because I don't think I told you. This this retails for $20, which is full size. This is a deluxe sample, but retails for $22 for full size. This is probably half. I mean, this box value is just amazing in December. Amazing. And then the last thing that we received, I received, because you could have gotten this or a Way texturizing hairspray. And I got the Christopher Robin Scrub, that's a different language, Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. So it is actually for your head. And I will say I used it only one time, and I think I'm gonna pass it to my husband. It has very big, I don't know if I can show you. I mean, you can feel them. Like, look at this one right here. Very big salt, or is it salt? Yes, salt granules, what's the word? And which I thought would be kind of abrasive and hurt, and it didn't. They did dissolve pretty quickly, so as you started to scrub them on your scalp, it kind of, they kind of disappeared and turned into a nice scrub. And it was easy. I was more worried it'd be hard to rinse out of my scalp, and then I'd be like shampooing, trying to get the grit out. None of that was a problem. I just think this would go better with someone who doesn't have curlier hair. I don't know. I'm gonna pass it to my husband. He actually shaves his head. So I think he will really enjoy this to kind of exfoliate his scalp. But for me, it's just not a total win for me, but it is seem like a good product. That retails for $53, and I didn't look up if it was full size. So I will look it up and I will put it right here if this was full size. But like I said, you can get it at Sephora, $53 for the full size. This is only 1.35 fluid ounces. So I'll have to look that up and see, because now I'm really curious. That was everything that I received in the December Allure beauty box. So let's go ahead and open up the January. I did watch a couple of videos and it seems that everyone got the same thing. So I'm kind of curious to see if that is true, or maybe they didn't right off the bat. I guess you could have gotten two different mascaras. You could have gotten the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, which I actually do not like. Or you could have gotten the Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara, which is actually the one that I got. And I'm actually very excited. At first I was thinking that I would not use it. I would just pass it to my mom or something, or one of my girls, because I just don't like that Lights Camera Lashes one. But I've never tried the Gifted. So kind of excited to try that. A retail value for $23, which is great. That definitely pays for your box. The next thing that I got is from Kate Somerville. It's the Exfoliate Intensify Exfoliating Treatment. I have used this before. Very good. Really enjoy it. I know that it definitely works and it doesn't rip me out, so that is good. $75 for 1.7 ounces, and this is only 0.25 ounces, but I'm happy with that. The next item is from Philosophy. It's the Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. I have tried the Hope in a Jar face moisturizer and didn't care for it. It wasn't terrible, but didn't really care for it. The water cream, I have not used. This is $39 for the full size. I'm pretty sure this is not the full size, and it's 0.23 ounces. Let's see what it looks like. I wonder if this is going to be very thin. I should probably use it in the daytime. This is a Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Sounds really interesting, so I'm actually kind of excited to try that. All right, the next thing that we received is from Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. So how do you open this? All right, so this is it an exfoliant? No, it is like a lip balm. Very yellow. No smell. Retails for $30 for a full size. I don't know if this is full size. I would assume it is not. This is 0.23 ounces. I like lip stuff. I definitely can throw one in my car, my purse, on my computer. I have one everywhere, so I like that. All right, the next thing that we would have gotten, we could have either gotten, oh no, we got both. Okay, so the next thing is from Nature Lab, I guess is the company. Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Retails for $16 for a full size, which is 4 ounces. This is 1 ounce. So actually, I like that it's not expensive, especially if this is gonna work. I have curly hair. Curly hair is notorious for being dry. And so I do like some of these things. I don't always spray it in my hair. I sometimes spray it in my hands and kind of scrunch it. So I might try it both ways to see which way I like. But I'm excited and hopeful to try that. I think that will actually work out really well. And then the last thing in our box is from Vitabird C12 Dual Drop Serum. What is Dual Drop? $62 for the full size. The full size looks like it's 1 ounce, and this is 0.33, so it's like a third of the size of a full size, which is actually a great size for a serum. I think I could definitely get a opinion using this. It looks very neat. It's kind of has these little bubbles in it. All right, what is it for though? So it's a vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I guess that's it. Sorry, I was reading it. I mean, it just sounds like a very simple serum. Does seem quite expensive. I have not heard of the brand. Not that that means much if I haven't heard of it, but I'll definitely give that a try at least for a week or so. And I know I won't be able to see if it makes a difference in my skin, but hopefully I'll be able to at least see if I like it or if it breaks me out. Anyways, that is my Allure box. I'm assuming everyone got the same box. The only difference is the mascara, and I think it's a great box. People have been saying it does not compare with December's box. Nothing can. That box value was just insane. But I think we got really great products. I mean, a facial soap, moisturizer, and serum. I mean, that's like a whole little skincare if you need it. Some hair, some lips, and some makeup. I mean, I think it covers all bases. I'm very, very happy. I will definitely try out these products, let you know what I think. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.